Hi, my name's Dessy Courtridge. Today I'm going to be making some of my grandma's, her name's Ida Higginbottom. I'm going to make some of her pudding. I'm making this for my grandson Ike. Okay, today we're going to start off with some cornstarch, you know what I mean? Some of this stuff. We're going to need a spoonful cornstarch, not open. I'm going to have to open it, you know. Cornstarch. Cornstarch. Stuff like that, you know. Okay, so, oh, I don't have a can opener. I gotta get me a can opener. I'll be back. You stay right there. I'm back. I wonder what I would be thinking right now. Gotta open me some blueberries. Wild Maine blueberries. Not just any blueberries. You know, my grandpa used to live in Maine. He was a handsome young man. He looked like my grandson Ike. Ike. Okay. Alright. He looked like my grandson Ike, if you know what I mean. He's a hottie, you know. But anyway, this keeps coming undone. You know what I mean. I just want to do what I want it to. Can openers just, they don't do the same thing they used to do. You know what I mean? I mean, back in Maine, where my grandpa used to live, we grew blueberries by the dozen. Oh yeah, it's a good mixture there. You can smell the Maine fresh off the blueberries. A few gallons of salt, that'll do it. There. Us Maineards, we like our salt. About that much applesauce. Apple juice. Oh yeah! Onion powder. We like our onion powder, you know what I mean? Oh yeah. Some good stuff. I'm just getting such a thrill. And we got some of this wild smoked Alaskan sockeye salmon. You know, we get some of that whenever we, hold the applause please. We get some of that whenever we go from Maine. This wild smoked Alaskan sockeye salmon, if you know what I mean. Oh yeah, it's some good stuff. Yeah. Oh yeah, that's a good mixture there. Oh, this is gonna be some good pudding, some Maine pudding. Like my grandpa, remember? Oh yeah. Some good Maine pudding. Ooh, that's a bubble. That's a big bubble. You might want to zoom in on that bubble. Right there. Bubble! But anyway, it smells terrible, but don't let the stench bother you, because I'm going to put in my special ingredient. No one knows what it is. Oh, that turned it green. Oh, not green all the way. I got stirred, you know what I mean? Oh. The cornstarch is dry. You know what I mean? Let's be the first to taste this. This onion powder is sure giving off quite a scent. That's some good eating there. Oh yeah. I would eat this, but our blueberries give you the runs. Oh yeah, some more salt. Yeah. Now, all finished? It's finished. Oh yeah, some good eating that.